Hey loves, welcome back. So today's video is a room tour. You can see I'm sitting in my bed. This is an updated room tour of Sophia and I's room. Some things that get changed. We got some new furniture pieces for Sophia. Things were moved around, taken out. So I wanted to give you guys an updated room tour. You guys know that Sophia and I do share a room. It's me and her in this room. So this is mostly Sophia's room as much as it's not really my room. I have stuff in here, but this is more of her room than it is mine. I make it more comfortable for her so she'd be able to play and, you know, have her toys and sleep and everything for her school. Everything is in here. So if you like videos like these, please join my channel and hit that subscribe button. My name is Kiara again. I am a single mom to a little girl named Sophia. She is 6 years old. So please consider subscribing and joining our family. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so this is our front door, and I'll give you an overview of the room. Alright, so when you come in the door, we have our tree, Christmas tree to the left. We did a video decorating our tree. She is so beautiful. Also behind the door is where I put her jackets, coats, sweaters, her book bag for school, although she won't be needing it. I still leave it there, you know, just because. So that is her book bag. And then here, I have this little unicorn thing that I got off of Amazon, and it just holds all of her hair bows and headbands. Just keeps them in one spot and like out of the way. And then that's like some extra stuff, her little makeup stuff, and that's where I keep like socks, underwear, things like that. That red bag is her school music bag, so I just keep it hung up here and out of the way because she only has music 1 day a week. Let me back up. There is our TV. So we don't keep nothing in those drawers. Mostly like DVDs, which we don't really watch anymore. And then that one is where I put like my mail and stuff. That I'm like a hoarder of my mail, so I just keep it in that drawer. But I have her shoes, the DVD players behind there. We don't need it, so that's why these things right here are her drawers that she used for school. The first drawer is her folders with her schoolwork and things. The second drawer is her supplies, and the third drawer is her textbooks. So what's on top is just her folders with her work throughout the week. And when we do school pickup, we pick up the items from the teachers at school. And so that's just that stuff up there. It's easily accessible. And I can just grab it, look for what she needs for the day, and go. And then on this side, this is her school area. So this is where she does her schoolwork. This is the chair she sits in. We normally move this chair out the way, but she uses my iMac for school. And then she has her little caddy that I got off of Amazon that holds her pencils and stuff like that. So all of her supplies is there. This was nice, pretty unicorn, and she just colored it over a couple of weeks. It's terrible now. I want to get a new one, but I know she's gonna destroy it. So that is her school area. And this is a closet we don't go in often, so it was easy just to put everything here. She did have a dollhouse here that we got rid of because she doesn't play with it anymore. She keeps peeling off the freaking thing on the wall. It really annoys me because I had to tape that area up because I'm like, Sophia looks ugly, stop peeling it. So this is where I keep like just her schedule for the week, her this is just her schedule overall. And then I keep a whiteboard here. I put her spelling words up there, anything we need to know for the week. Surprisingly, this week, I think like for just the month of December, it's not really much. So I don't have anything up here as of now. And then also, this is all of her American Girl stuff lined up here. These 3 bins are, the first one is for her English class. We got that at the beginning of the school year from her teacher. The second one is just a bin for all her crayons and markers and things like that. And in the third bin is for her math and science class. So that's what those are there. So everything she needs for school is easily accessible to her little area right there. And again, that is all her doll stuff. This is our pretty rug I got from Overstock. It's unicorn theme. If you guys don't know, this room is pretty much Sophia's room. I just sleep in here. I try to make this room as much as hers as possible, even though I'm in here. And this is her bed. I got it from IKEA. She has a lot of pillows and teddy bears, and that's her lights. I got that from the lights as well from IKEA. They're really, really cute, and they're super bright. They come with the bulbs already, so if you see how cute those are. And then I turn on, and I just I did nail them to the wall so they don't fall, and the switches are on with command strips, and she got some LOL stickers up there. So it is so big, and it is a grow with me bed, so this will pull out into a full twin if needed, but Sophia still has a lot of room so far, and she loves this bed because it's so much space. And again, she has all her teddy bears and pillows and things that she loves. And then this is my bed. My bed is from IKEA as well. My comforter set and everything is from Amazon. It kind of annoys me because I had to get the pillowcases separate, and the pillowcases, as you can see, is way different from a different color from the actual bedding. So I might eventually change them, but I'm just gonna leave it for right now. Normally things like that irritate me. So yeah, and you see in between her bed, the little bit of space that we have, it's really, really tight. I'm not gonna lie. But it works for right now. It is super tight in here, especially with getting out the door. You see how tight that is, but it's not bad. Like you actually get used to it. Yeah, it's just tight in here. Like I said, I try to keep everything as minimal as possible as I possibly can, considering she does have a lot of toys, and I know she will be getting more for Christmas. But this is what works for right now, and it surprisingly is a good setup. So then we have this broken up dresser that I need to throw out soon. That is from IKEA, but on top of it, of course, I just have her little mini Christmas tree, and I just keep like my lotions and candles and her hair products and stuff here. And we have some cleaning products back there, as well as her shampoo, some of my perfumes. I love KKW perfumes, and some of my jewelry. I also love Killian perfumes. They are like my favorite. And I just have a picture up on the wall of me and her. I have like a mood board that I made like a while ago and I just never took it down. I have like a little board up here that I put stuff, and then this is just a shelf. If there was 3, but my stepfather put them in, but this wasn't even close to there like it is now, but so I just pushed it that way. But there were 3 shelves up here, and the other 2 fell because he didn't put them correctly. But yeah, that is our room. Pretty simple, you know. This is our shared room space for Sophia and I, and it works, you guys. We actually love it in here. I love the 2 windows. When it's super sunny, it brings in so much light, and it's just amazing. So yeah, that is our room. So that is it for this video, you guys. I really hope you all enjoyed our room tour. Please give me any suggestions on things that I can do. If you guys also share rooms with your little ones, or what do you guys do? If you guys share rooms with your little ones, how is you all's room? I would love to hear it. So yeah, I will hope to see you all in my next video very, very soon. Remember, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'm gonna see you all very, very soon. Bye.